Ultrasonic Smart Water Meter. The introduction of Zhongyi.
Hi, I'm Silver from Zhongyi Smart Technology Limited Company. Today I'm going to introduce and display our products for you. If you find it useful, please give me a thumb up and follow us. If you have any questions or inquiries, welcome to send me a private message, and I will give you a professional reply.
Ultrasonic water meter performance features.
Ultrasonic water meter performance features. First, let me introduce the features of our ultrasonic smart water meter. The range ratio R value of our ultrasonic smart water meter can reach R250, R400, which is much higher than ordinary mechanical smart water meters. Compared with some high-precision mechanical water meters, it does not have strict requirements on water quality. The ultrasonic smart water meter has strong adaptability to fluid temperature changes and can achieve the temperature level of T30, T50, T70. Ultrasonic smart water meters can choose a variety of communication methods such as LoRaWAN, NB-IoT, GPRS, and bus, RS485, pulse, and other communications, and are equipped with an infrared communication mechanism, which can configure instrument parameters or read instrument data through infrared communication. Non-valve controlled ultrasonic water meters range in size from DN15 to DN40. Valve-controlled ultrasonic water meter range in size from DN15 to DN25.
Overall appearance of ultrasonic water meter.
Overall appearance of ultrasonic smart water meter. Next, I will introduce the structure, features, measurement principle, assembly process, and testing process of the ultrasonic smart water meter to you. This is the overall appearance of the non-valve controlled ultrasonic water meter. The side of the water meter. The base of the water meter. The pipe section. This is the front of the meter. Open the upper cover. There are name, model, specification, parameters, eccentric of the meter, as well as the LCD screen and screen switch button. This is the overall appearance of the valve-controlled ultrasonic water meter. The side of the meter. The water meter base. Pay attention to the valve. The pipe section. This is the front of the meter, with the name, model, specification, parameters, eccentric of the meter printed on it. Open the upper cover. Here the LCD screen and the screen switch button.
Internal structure of ultrasonic non-valve water meter. The main components of the ultrasonic non-valve smart water meter include all-brass ultrasonic pipe section, pressure plate, ultrasonic sensor, battery, metering main control board, communication board, antenna, ceiling ring, and outer shell. Installation display of ultrasonic smart water meter. Step 1. Install the ceiling ring and the ultrasonic sensor. Step 2. Install the compressor. Step 3. Install the base. Step 4. Install the battery. Step 5. Install the separator. Install the metering main control board. Weld the ultrasonic sensor connector. Step 6. Install the communication board. The communication board is connected according to the TTL pin. Step 7. Connect the battery. Pay attention to the direction of the battery interface. The red wire is positive, and the black wire is negative. Step 8. Install the ceiling ring. Step 9. Install the upper cover. Internal structure of ultrasonic valve-controlled water meter. The main components of the ultrasonic valve-controlled smart water meter include all-brass ultrasonic pipe section, compressor, ultrasonic sensor, motor, battery, metering main control board, communication board, antenna, ceiling ring, and outer shell. Installation display of ultrasonic valve-controlled smart water meter. Step 1. Install the ceiling ring and ultrasonic sensor. Step 2. Install the compressor. Step 3. Install the base. Step 4. Install the motor. Step 5. Install the battery. Step 6. Install the separator. Install the metering main control board. Weld the ultrasonic sensor connector. Pay attention to the direction of the motor interface. The arrow is aligned with the notch. Pay attention to the direction of the battery interface. The red wire is positive, and the black wire is negative. Step 7. Install the communication board. The communication board is connected according to the TTL pin. Step 8. Install the sealing ring. Step 9. Install the upper cover. Finished. To replace the battery, first open the case, then unplug the battery interface and take out the battery to replace. Ultrasonic water meter measurement principle. Sound wave is a mechanical wave that travels through a medium with a time delay. In a flow system, sound waves behave in the same manner. Combined ultrasonic transmitters and receivers are placed opposite each other. Ultrasonic waves are alternately sent and received by means of the piezoelectric effect when moving in the same directions as the flow. They travel in the opposite direction to the wave. The higher the flow velocity of the medium, the greater the difference between the two transit times. combined with the known area inside the pipe and the measured sonic velocity and temperature of the medium. There are many ways to install the sensor of the ultrasonic flow meter, from the transmitting probe to directly transmitting the sound wave pulse to the receiving probe, and also to the way of receiving the sound wave by reflecting the water pipe wall. Ultrasonic water meter screen display. Open the cover. The LCD screen of the water meter is always on. Click the button to switch the screen. The boot default is a P1 main interface directory. Screen display. Forward flow. Reverse flow. Address. Running time. And arrow identification. The icon in the upper left corner indicates that the metering or billing is normal. If the icon flashes, it is regarded as abnormal. This is a valve status icon. Tick means open valve. Cross means closed valve. Non-valve water meter defaults to open valve icon. When the battery level is lower than 10%, the battery icon will flash in the upper right corner of the screen. To issue a warning, press and hold the button for more than 6 seconds to enter the previous main menu. The ultrasonic water meter screen has a total of 5 main menus, P1 to P5. P1 is a main interface directory. P2 is the meter verification data main directory. P3 is the information data main directory. P4 is the historical data main directory. And P5 is the communication main directory. Long press the button to enter the corresponding submenu, and long pressing any submenu to exit back to the main menu. The P2 submenu displays the verification flow, P2 to 30, and displays the flow velocity, temperature, linear velocity, segment label, segment coefficient, eccentric. The P3 submenu displays version number, custom meter number, current date, current time, battery voltage, reset interface, full display interface, eccentric. The P4 submenu displays historical data for the previous 12 months. The P5 submenu displays the communication type, communication frequency band, module number, class mode, DEV address, periodic reporting time, fixed point reporting time, eccentric. For more detailed display content, please refer to the documentation of the on-screen menu of the ultrasonic water meter. Ultrasonic water meter nozzle nut installation. To install the water meter, insert the pipe nut, add the washer, and tighten it clockwise. Also on the other end. When installing, pay attention. The direction of the mouse water flow arrow and the water flow direction of the water pipe are the same. ultrasonic water meter water pipe installation. Because the measurement principle of the ultrasonic water meter is different from that of the mechanical water meter, the pipeline cannot be empty or accumulate more bubbles. Otherwise, the ultrasonic signal will not be transmitted, resulting in the water meter not counting or measuring inaccurately. Recommended horizontal installation. When installing horizontally, make the pipeline into a U shape. In this case, the tube section of the ultrasonic water meter at a low position can be kept full, restricted by the objective conditions of the site. When it is difficult to implement the recommended horizontal installation conditions, at least install it as shown in the figure below. In the figure, the pipe section in front of the water meter can be paralleled to the water meter body, but the pipeline behind the water meter must be sent upward at a right angle to prevent air bubbles from accumulating in the pipe. Recommended vertical installation. When installing vertically, the water flow direction at the water meter is the water inlet at the lower end and the water outlet at the upper end. In this case, bubbles can be prevented from accumulating in the measuring pipe of the water meter when there is water flowing there through. Ultrasonic water meter calibration bench test. This is our smart water meter testing instrument. Here's the testing bench. As you see, there are several meters in test. An infrared transceiver is placed on each ultrasonic water meter to receive and transmit meter data. This is the common control system. You can see the test data. Now, I'm going to show you how it works. First, let's test the Q3 large flow. Wait a minute to start the flow test. Then we test the Q2 medium flow. At last, we test the minimum flow. We can see the current test data in the ultrasonic water meter calibration program. It can display the real-time flow, real-time time difference, maximum error, real-time error, calibration progress, and other parameters of the current water meter.